This is a farm. Let's go inside and see who lives here. I can see different kinds of animals. Let's meet them. I am Umar. Can you tell me who you are? We will tell you one by one. Meet me, I am a hen. I live in the pen. My chick is always following me. Meet me, I am a cow. This is my shed. My calf is drinking water. Meet me, I am a goat. This is my shed. My kid likes running. Meet me, I am a horse. This is my stable. My foal is eating hay. Meet me, I am a duck. This is my pond. My duckling likes waddling about. Meet me, I am a fish. This is my pond. My fry is swimming with me. Meet me, I am a sheep. This is my field. My lamb is always bleating. Meet me, I am a rabbit. This is my burrow. My bunny likes hopping. Meet me, I am a sparrow. This is my nest. My chick is sleeping. Alhamdulillah, we all live happily together on the farm.